Dear friends, I'm here again with you, and today we will be going to the basics of trigonometry so that you are able to understand it properly. So, math is fun. Oh, yes, math is a great fun. Let us start it. Now, first of all, let us try to understand what is trigonometry. You see here, these are three words: tri, gonometry. Tri means three, gono means sides, and metry means measure. So it is a measurement of three sides means triangle. So trigonometry deals with triangle. अब बेचारी ट्रायंगल के पास है क्या? बेचारी ट्रायंगल के पास है क्या? It has only three sides and three angles. So let us start with fun. Now we will be first of all going with the measurement of angles. And you know, measurement is always done with a system. So here there are three systems. In physics also you are having CGS system, MKS system, SI system. Here in trigonometry there are three systems, and we measure the angle with the help of any of the three systems. Their names are sexagesimal system. This system was devised by English people. It's an English system. And in India, we are following this system. And the measure is degree. Now, the second system, its name is a centesimal system. This has been derived by French people. Now, its measure is grade and denoted with capital D, whereas this is denoted with D. Degree is denoted with D. Now let us go to the last system, that is international system. In physics also you are having SI systems, system international. So here also this international system, its name is circular system, and the measure is radian. Internationally, wherever you go, people are dealing with radian. So it is a international system. Now let us go to the details and relations between these systems. Now let us first of all try to understand what is sexagesimal system or English system. Sexa means 60. So here in this case, one right angle is equal to 90 degrees and 1 degree is 60 minutes. Minute here is written like a dash there. And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. This minute and seconds, these are different from the measurement of time, since we are dealing with the angle. Now, in the centesimal system, one right angle is divided into 100 parts and each part is called a grade. So one right angle is equal to 100 grades, and one grade is further divided into 100 parts and they are called 100 minutes. This minute is different. Look here, this minute, the symbol is this, and in case of 60 minutes, in case of the sexagesimal system, its notation is different. Now, 1 minute is equal to 100 centimeter in case of centesimal system. Centi means 100. Sachin ki century. So centi is 100. Now let us go to the third system. Its name is circular system. It is an international system and used everywhere. Everywhere the angles are denoted in terms of radian. So what is radian basically? Let us define it. Radian is an angle subtended at the center of a circle. Look here. Here is the circle. This is the center. This angle is 1 radian. This is subtended by an arc AB. This is an arc AB whose length is equal to the radius. So you see that this angle is surrounded by radius. Hence its name is radian. Look here, radius. It is surrounded by all the radius, so its name is radian. Now, this is the relation. You see, in case of right angle, one right angle is 90 degrees. In the case of grades, one right angle is 100 grades. One right angle is 100 grades. In case of sexagesimal system, one right angle is 90 degrees. And in the case of this international system, circular system, which deals with the circle, so this is 90 degree is written as pi by 2. So it is in terms of C. C stands for radian. So our circular system. So in case of degree, they are 90 degrees in one right angle. In case of centesimal system, they are 100 grades. And in case of circular system, they are equal to pi by 2. One right angle equal to pi by 2. Now let us go further. Let us try to understand what is the standard position of an angle in trigonometry. In case of trigonometry, there is a standard position of the angle. Now look here. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. So one arm of the angle is on the positive direction of x-axis and the other arm can be anywhere. So this arm which is on the x-axis is called initial side, and whereas this is called terminal side. So this form is called the standard form. So standard position of the angle is one arm is on the x-axis and positive direction of x-axis and other arm can be anywhere. Now in this case, ST is the initial side and SR is the terminal side. The vertex of the angle is at the origin. So this is the must conditions which must be satisfied for a standard angle. So the vertex should coincide with the origin and initial side should be on the positive direction of x-axis, while the terminal side of the angle can be anywhere. Now, here are two examples and we have to decide whether they are standard or not. Now look here, one side is on the x-axis and the other side is somewhere else. But do you think that it is a standard angle? No. Since the vertex is not on the origin. So now let us go to this. Look here, OQ is on the positive direction and this is initial side and OP is the terminal side. So that is somewhere else, and the vertex of the angle is coinciding with the origin. Hence, it is a standard angle. Hence, it is in angle is in the standard form. Now, let us go further. The angles may have positive direction or they have negative direction. If they are going in the anti-clockwise, they are considered positive. If they are going in the clockwise, they are considered negative. Now look here, anti-clockwise is, look here, this direction, and whereas the clockwise is like this direction. This you already know. Now let us go to the quadrant part. This is considered to be the initial side, and why it is considered initial side, you know, in the political maps, N is written here, north is shown here, east is here, because sun rises from east and goes this side. So it is considered to be the initial position because sun rises from here. Now if this is north, then this will be south, and if this is east, this will be west. So in the first quadrant, look here, x is positive, y is positive. X is positive, y is positive. And in the second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. In the third quadrant, both are negative. In the fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. So here by mistake I have written negative, it should be positive. It should be positive. So I'll correct it. Just wait, I'm going to correct it. So some mistakes sometimes happen, so we have to correct them. So let us correct this. It should be positive. Now in the first quadrant both are positive. In the second quadrant x is negative, y is positive. And in this third quadrant x is negative, y is also negative. X is negative, y is negative. In the fourth quadrant x is positive, y is negative. So these we are supposed to know properly. So now the base of this angles will be now clear to you, and since the triangle has angles and sides, so angles we have discussed today, then we'll be going ahead with the second lecture on this trigonometry, and you will find that with the help of one formula I shall be proving all the formulas. So let us wait till your next video comes. I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching this, and I request you to go for subscription and liking. Thank you. Thank you very much.